Cast on 27 stitches. The first row, work with knit stitches. The second row, work 5 knit stitches, slip 5 stitches, yarn in back of the work. Alternate in this way till the end of the row. The third row, work as the first row. The fourth row, work as the second row. Continue till the 8th row, alternating the first and the second row. The 9th row, work 7 knit stitches. Introduce the needle through stretches and work a knit stitch. Work 9 stitches and repeat the pattern, in this way till the end of the row. Work the picture in chessboard order. The 10th row. Begin now not from 5 knit stitches, but slip 5 stitches and alternate sew next. Repeat the same pattern next.